Welcome back to our Turnbull Custom Guns YouTube channel. Today we have a special delivery. Our new Infante S40 Ultrasonic Cleaner has arrived. So excited. Let's get it open. Alright. Wow. Let's open this thing up. Alright, so we got a case of Sonic lube and a case of Sonic tonic. Let's see what we got here. We've got another Sonic lube. So I think the Sonic Tonic, which is the cleaning concentrate, is about a 95 to 5% ratio. So you get 1 gallon of that, and I've got 5 gallons of Sonic lube. So that's good. Now, some very rugged straps. This is the S40, which is the largest of their shooter series. I think it'll fit a 37-inch barreled action or two, and it's dual chamber. All right, so got a cleaning sticker, which is very important. All of our electronics. This particular unit isn't a brand new unit. I was able to get a 1-year-old reconditioned unit, basically, at a very reasonable price compared to the new ones. Wow. In which they tested it and everything for me at the factory. Somehow I gotta get in here. Tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna cheat. This thing seems bigger in real life. Alright. So it has dual temperature and ultrasonic adjustments for the cleaner and the lubricator. Nice heavy gauge steel. That was one thing I was concerned about. This is 10 gauge anyway. Pretty close to right at 1/8 of an inch. And they did a great job packaging this up, especially considered it was a used system. There's some goodies in there too. Let's see. What have we got here? I'm sure you're supposed to read something. Oh, that's kind of cool. We got our plugins. I'm sure that's so they can send different types. Oh yeah. So it comes with a set already installed. Not sure why I got an extra set. Oh, they're fused, but we will see. So these are made. There. So you can pick them up and drain them. Excellent. I can't wait to try it out. This is something I've been wanting to add to my shop for quite a while, and thank you, Greg at Infante, for finding something that works well with my budget in my shop. And now I just got to figure out where I'm going to put it.